Here are some of my tips on how you can do better on your research defense. Hello, I'm back. I am Gerald Chu, and this is Research Tutorial. Okay, so your favorite research groupmate is back. So kung akala nyo nilamon na ako ng UP, tama kayo. Okay, so alam ko marami sa inyo ang kinakabahan ngayon kasi first time nyo mag-defense, hindi nyo alam kung anong mangyayari, anong gagawin. And here are some of my tips para mabago yung mindset ninyo about research and ultimately, mabawasan yung kaba ninyo. So for the first step, kailangan yung ma-realize na research nyo to. Okay? So kung may tao na may alam about sa research na ito kaysa kanino man, ikaw dapat yon. You have to find confidence with the fact that this is your research and you know this research more than anyone else in that room. Kasi nga, ikaw yung gumawa niyan eh. From the conceptualization, sa writing, sa editing, hanggang dito na sa final defense. You have to be proud of this research kasi nga yung mga audience na yan, yung panel na yan, nakikinig lang sila, di ba? Nakikialam lang sila dyan sa research mo. Pero ikaw yung may pinakaalam kung ano yung ginawa dyan, ano yung mga related literature na nilagay mo, at ano yung mga findings na nahanap ninyo with this research. Which now leads me to my second point. Huwag kayong matakot sa mga panel, okay? Hindi nangangagat yung mga yan. Hindi sila nandyan para pahiyain kayo, paiyakin kayo, unless deserve nyo. But kidding aside, itong mga research panel ay nagsisilbing guidance, okay, to better improve your research paper. So basically, sila yung mga professionals and specialists on the fields of your researches na magbibigay sa inyo ng input when it comes to ano pa ba yung dapat idagdag, ano yung kulang, ano yung dapat mong baguhin para ultimately mas gumanda pa yung research paper ninyo. So sa process na ito, nagiging peer-reviewed, kumbaga, yung inyong research paper kasi natignan na siya, na-assess na siya ng mga professionals sa field and in that sense, tumataas yung credibility ng research paper ninyo. Next, don't be afraid of revisions. Okay, so marami sa mga nagde-defense ngayon natatakot mag-revise. Me, that is part of the process para mas ma-improve itong research paper mo, okay? Nagkakamali ka, hindi ka perfect. So habang ginigisa kayo doon, kumalma kayo, diba? I-take note nyo lahat ng mga inputs and insights ng mga panel and make sure that you put them into consideration on your final revision, diba? And this process will ultimately improve your research paper. And lastly, kailangan nyo maintindihan na it is okay that you don't know all the answers during the final defense. Again, hindi kayo perfect, hindi kayo si Beyonce. It is expected na may mga tanong na hindi nyo talaga masasagot at the moment. Pero wag naman yung level na lahat hindi mo alam, di ba? Sino ka dyan? What matters in this situation is how you handle your composure, di ba? During these hard situations. Dapat mapakita mo dito na kaya mo pa rin mag-isip, di ba? Hindi yung natutulala ka na lang, bawal yun. Ipakita mo kung paano ka mag-isip, kung paano mo pwedeng laruin yung tanong to come up with an answer or a tentative answer at the very least. If you want to know how to handle this kind of situations, make sure that you check out my vlogs on YouTube. The link is on my bio. So the bottom line is confidence is really the key, okay? Believe in yourself kasi ang tagal mo tong sinulat ang tagal mo tong pinaghirapan and this is your opportunity to show them your hard work. Ilabas mo na lahat dito, yung sama ng loob mo, yung pagkakulang mo ng tulong, mga hinanakit mo, pagkawalan mo ng pera, lahat na. Kasi this is your last chance to show them and the world that you deserve to graduate. And ultimately, syempre, enjoy the process. Kasi dito kayo matututo dito nyo malalaman kung saan kayo pwede mag-improve in the future na mag-thesis naman kayo, dito kayo mas gagaling pa. So that's it. Ngayon pa lang, congratulations, galingan ninyo. I know that you can do it. Kailangan paniwalaan mo lang din yung sarili mo. And that's it. If you have any more research-related questions, feel free to drop them here. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more research tips. Good luck!